How can the front of the Nova Pro Scala H186 be adjusted in 3 dimensions? You'll learn all this and more in the video. Today, I will show you how to perfectly adjust the front of the Nova Pro Scala H186. This will be in terms of the height, the sides, and also the tilt angle. For this, you will need a screwdriver and, as you can see, we have a little indent here. The front is slightly lower than the cabinet. And now you need to adjust the front upwards. To do this, you need to open the drawer and loosen the fixing screws. These are the 2 top screws. Then, use the adjustment screw to perfectly align the height of the front. Do the same on the other side too. Loosen the fixing screws and use the height adjustment screw to align the height of the front to be perfectly flush. Once you've adjusted everything, you then need to retighten the fixing screws. By doing so, the front will remain level with the cabinet for a long time. Which screws do you need to adjust? Here we have the front, and on the inside, you can see the screws. There are 2 fixing screws, and the bottom screw is the height adjustment screw. So, you need to go in here with the screwdriver and loosen the screws, just a 1/4 turn, undoing them so to speak. And you can now adjust the height of the front smoothly and continuously in order to achieve perfect front panel alignment. And once the front is level like it is here in the model, then you can simply retighten all of the fixing screws so that nothing will come loose. For the side adjustment, here we have installed a front on the model that is 4 mm narrower than the cabinet. This means we should have a gap of 2 mm on each side, and the gap is slightly smaller here on the right side than it is on the left side. So we now want to adjust the front to the left. To do this, you need to open the drawer and push the 2 hooks on the underside of the drawer backwards. Now, using the flat of your hand, you can easily move the front to the left or to the right. In this case, we want to move it to the left. Close the drawer again and check. We've adjusted the front so there's a perfect 2 mm gap here, and also here. Where do you need to press? Here there is the small lever. You need to push this backwards, and now the front can be adjusted either to the left or to the right. It is incredibly simple and easy to do. We have another adjustment option, the tilt angle adjustment. And the tilt angle adjustment screw is also built in here. This means that you can adjust the tilt angle using the screw at the back of the drawer. When you turn the screw with the screwdriver, the drawer lowers with the front facing downwards. In order to adjust the gap at the side here on the drawer to be parallel, here we have a bit more of a gap at the bottom than at the top. And if we now take the screwdriver and simply turn the tilt angle adjustment screw towards the front, you can already see what happens. We get a perfectly straight, vertical gap here, and we need to do the same on the other side, of course. Check everything here again, same direction, towards the front. And now the tilt angle is also perfectly adjusted. You can find further useful information and links to our products in the description. If you have questions about this product or others, then write them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. I wish you all the best and hope you have lots of fun and success with your projects.